Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this color, so let's get started. Um, when dyeing this hair, I did use box dye. I used 2 boxes of the darkish ash blonde, and it is from Revlon. I also had bought a brown because I thought I was going to dye the roots brown, but I actually never did. Um, you see me in this clip just pouring the dye into the bottle and shaking it up. Um, just as a disclaimer though, I wanted to let you guys know that before I went on ahead and dyed this hair blonde, or ash blonde, I already had the 613 hair toned. I had worn it before, so I had washed it with purple shampoo a couple times to strip some of the yellow out of the hair. So if you haven't already done that step, you would need to do that in order to get the best color results. Um, I'm going to just simply put the box dye on the hair, and then later on I'm going to comb all of the product through to make sure that I get the dye on every part and piece of the hair. Okay, after you comb the hair through, you want to make sure you let it sit for at least 20 minutes. I'm not really sure how long I set mine on for because I was actually on the phone when I was dyeing my hair. So I did leave it on there for at least 20 minutes. It might have been closer to 25-30 minutes. But yeah, after you're done combing it out, you want to make sure you let that set. Whenever that is done, or whenever the color starts to take to the hair, it should look a little something like this. You see how it's like have more of like an ashy tone, kind of like grayish. That's the color that we're going for. And then after that, we're gonna wash it. I washed it with the coconut oil, miracle oil shampoo by Organics. And then I let it air dry. This is what it looked like when I let it air dry. Even though I didn't take any of the time to make sure I didn't get any of the dye in the lace, I wanted to show you that it was not on the lace. And then here's the back. It's still not all the way fully dry, but this is what the lace looks like. You can see it's not stained or anything. And then we're going to go ahead and get it styled. Hello guys, it is the next day. I let my hair dry overnight. Typically when I do that, I have a huge fan in my room. I set my fan up directly in front of my hair, and I just let the fan, just dry the hair out for me. I don't believe in blow drying my weave because, to be honest, all it's going to do is, in the end, dry your weave out. I mean, it might not do it the first couple times, but eventually it will dry the weave out. So I just avoid doing that at all costs. I usually make sure I have enough time to let my hair air dry before I do anything. So yeah, I'm pretty much just straightening it now. I went on ahead and used some Got To Be, the black one, like the gel, and then I used the yellow spray, and I put that along my hairline just to lay it down. I'm not really sure how long I'm gonna wear this wig, so I just applied it as if it was gonna be temporary. I do have the other lace glue, but I only use that whenever I know I'm keeping the hair on for a while. I want to go shopping today and see if I can get like a really large curling wand, because I really want those type of like careless curls. I think that's just the type of girl I am, and lately I just been wanting like careless, like carefree hairstyles. So hopefully when I go to I'm gonna go to Target and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and then I feel like out of those three I should probably be able to find exactly what I want. I'm going to continue to, I guess, straighten this hair for now, because that'll just make it easier when I want, like, the super huge, like, wand curls. So, super huge, messy, like, wand curls. It honestly just looks like Kim K curls whenever you use, like, a huge wand curler. So, yeah, I'm going to show you guys the back of this hair. And don't know if the lighting and everything in here is good, but this is going to be the back. So, it's ash blonde now. I was going to do dark roots. I'm still going to debate whether or not I want dark roots because I do have the box for it. So, I'm just going to toss that to the side for now. And then if I want dark roots in like a week, we'll have another video. But yeah, so that's going to be the back. I'm going to go put like a sweater or something on because it's winter time. And I'm going to have to go outside to do like the errands that I want. I just put that on to see if it will help me like lay my hair a little better. So, yeah, now my hair should be laid at least for the day. That's really all I have to say to you guys. I don't really have much else to say. I'm gonna try. This is honestly a really easy hairstyle as long as your hair is already 613 and you've already toned it, because with like the purple shampoo, because I've wore the hair before, so I obviously toned it and took some of the yellow out, and then I just went on ahead and put the ash blonde on top of that. So as long as all of that is done, I think you should be good. Like, this was a pretty easy, like nothing was too hard, too tedious. I literally opened the package and then just poured it on my head, so, or poured it on my weave. So it really wasn't hard. It's really easy to achieve. I think that it's gonna like look super cute once like I get to styling and everything. It's gonna look fire once I do my makeup. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have